Who do we start with, fellas? JJ, we'll start with you. Since you pulled up with your Goldilocks hair the other day and was like, brother, I know I've been running my big mouth all week saying I'm gonna beat your ass. But now that you're at the gas station, can I pray for you, brother? You need to pray for you, you skinny bitch. I didn't know yesterday when I was at the gas station, Daddy was the one putting gas in your truck. I think that's the running y'all's mouth for a damn year. Upchurch on drugs. Upchurch crazy. Upchurch is Daddy. I've been paying your bills, you idiot. And you know what is so hilarious? I'm about to prove it with just the song we did called Prove It. Look at this, y'all. Oh, JJ Jonathan Wayne. Look, there's me and Kalani. Look how much JJ's making, and look how much me and Kalani's making. Now, JJ, you fucking bum. Now, how the did that happen? Well, I guess you won't be living at your girlfriend's dad's house for much longer with that percentage. JJ just plays outside in his wife's dad's yard, just LARPing and playing with cows he don't own. You can probably buy you a cow soon, JJ, since you're making most of this song for some reason. Let's take a look at another one with me and JJ. Long live the South. Pilgrim Pelican. How much of that you getting, JJ? How much you claiming? 100%? Was you born yesterday? Who's next? Broadnax. He been gone for a while, missing in action, probably in a hammock. So, hey, baby, he ain't had to make no music lately. I'll show you why. Look. Broadnax, me, Kalani, Bad Mama Jamma. Broadnax is Broadnax. Why? Who done this? How are y'all? This is why. You know, this is really interesting because it's funny that all y'all get in a group and go downtown and you get on Instagram like, oh man, Ryan's going broke, man. I don't know nobody's texting, man. Something happened, man. Oh, poor Ryan. No, poor y'all, because this is all getting fixed. And I know who done this. You can think I don't, but I do. You think I don't know who done this? He don't know. Okay. I'll post you the proof of when I called BMI and went down there.
I'm not seeing that. I'm just seeing Wild and Taylor.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, thank you so much, sweetie.
Yeah, of course.
It irritates me because I've literally never had a problem out of BMI, and they've been giving me the runaround saying, well, it's BMI's fault. It's BMI's fault. And I keep asking them, like, how is it BMI's fault? BMI didn't do anything. Yeah. And it's them. Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, it's totally fine. I'm about to chap their ass for BMI and everybody else. God damn, this is embarrassing. It's all of them. Look, here's one right here. I'm the Waste, Chucky Velvet, Ryan Upchurch, Thomas Toner. Ready for this? Once again, the featured little artist is making almost 70% of a song, and me and the producer are having to split the rest. Just to show y'all this ain't no error, this is Side of the Road with a big ass artist, Boosie. Everybody's at the same percent. Look, somebody who ain't a thief. All right, here's another one. Slang with me and Project Pat, produced by Stoner. Ready? You mean to tell me Project Pat is getting 66%, Stoner is getting 66%, and I'm getting 33%? Oh man, this is exposing so much. Southside with me, T2, Broadnax. Look how much me and Kalani are making, 25%. And look how much these two idiots are making up top, 50%. Me and Kalani are making the least. I'm not y'all, it is every song. They have changed it to where I am making the least out of everybody. And they're all on Instagram going, oh man, you going broke. No. People's just doing some very nefarious things. And just so you know, this ain't no dumbass spreadsheet. This is the beat of my website. This is no mistake. This has been changed to do this. Look at this. Don't ever die. Literally just has me on it. I don't know who the this guy is or this person, but there's Stoner. Look at this. 50, 50, 50, 25. Bro, I better not see y'all motherfuckers in public. Yeah, I'm not happy about this one. Next to red. Thomas, some dude I'd never heard of, and then me. Thomas, some dude I never heard of, me. I don't know who the this is. I don't know if he played a guitar or something, but let me tell you something. This is Nashville, where there's work for hires. You don't ever give a guitar player, whoever that is, 66%. That's okay, so for those of you that know how this works, you'll understand what this is. So you have your writers and your publishers, right? You get paid off both, and the dates are supposed to match, right? Okay, now watch this. This one is correct. It goes all the way back to when I started my career. Here's the problem. When you go to this other one, and you click it for the other royalties, it starts at 2024. So from 2014 to 2023, who the claimed all the publishing? I'm gonna save all this other information for myself, but I just wanted to prove to y'all this is why they've been running their mouth, because they all been on some. Oh, I pray for you, brother. Leave me alone. Hey, come here. Getting her done. God, it looks so much better. This place gonna look like a moose lodge when we're done, son.